If you want to safely lighten up your skin to get that even skin tone, that uniform skin, then you want to do it in the right way. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to safely lighten up your skin and the ingredients you need to look out for, and most importantly, what you need to avoid when trying to lighten up your skin to maintain a healthy and a glowing skin. So you want to keep watching. In case you are here for the first time, hi, my name is Adetutu. In this channel, I talk about skincare, hair care, and self-care rituals that really works. To my returning subscribers, mwah, thank you guys for coming back. I love you guys so much. And to those people that are just joining us for the first time, please kindly hit that subscribe button to join the Glow Tribe community. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So first thing first, before we dive in, let me first address this issue that all skin tones are beautiful. Girl, you are beautiful just the way you are. In this video, what I am trying to address in this video is to tackle some issues like hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and body discoloration. Okay, so to maintain a healthy and a glowing skin. So now I am going to take you through a process on how to safely lighten up your skin. So you want to keep watching. First thing first, what you need to do is to get a bar soap that is going to remove excess oils, that is going to remove dirt away from your skin, that is going to remove sweat, odor away from your skin, to prepare your skin for other products to work better. Okay, so after you have cleansed your body, then the next step is to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliation is very important. Okay, why are you exfoliating your skin? To remove dead skin cells, to allow other skincare products to absorb better into your skin, and to get that smooth and radiant skin, and also to reveal your new radiant skin for you. I hope you get that. So exfoliation is so important. And if you are exfoliating your skin, make sure you are exfoliating 1 to 2 times in a week. Okay? 1 to 2 times in a week. So now that you are done with exfoliating, so the next step is getting your body washed. This is now the time you now level up your skincare game. This is now the time you can now choose. Is either your body wash is going to lighten up your skin or just moisturize your skin. So you want to get a body wash that is going to safely lighten up your skin. So after you are done with your body wash, the next step is your body lotion. This your body lotion, you need to know what your body lotion, your body wash is formulated with. Always check what your skincare product is formulated with. It is so important. So if you want to lighten up your skin, these are the ingredients you need to look out for. 1. Niacinamide. 2. Vitamin C. 3. Licorice extract. 4. Alpha arbutin. 5. Kojic acid. These are lightening ingredients that are going to safely lighten up your skin without damaging your skin. They are very, very safe to use. I hope you guys get that. So now that you know the ingredients that is safely to lighten up your skin, you can now purchase that body lotion that contains any of these product, any of these ingredients. Okay, I hope you get that. We have the ones that contain vitamin C and kojic acid. We have the one that contains alpha arbutin and vitamin C. So you just check it and know that yes, this one is definitely going to safely lighten up my skin for me. After you are done with your body wash and your body lotion, then the next step is your body oil to seal in that moisture, to lock in that moisture, to make your skin stay hydrated for a longer period of time. So you need to use your body oil. You can either choose a lightening body oil. We have different lightening body oil out there, and we have the one that is just going to moisturize your skin and seal in that moisture for you. So it is so important to always lock in that moisture. Okay, so your body lotion will not evaporate quickly away from your skin. So using a body oil is so good to seal in that moisture. Okay, so now that you have used your body oil, the next step is your sunscreen. You see all these things that I just mentioned in previously. Now you see all these things that I just mentioned earlier are not going to work if you are not using your sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important. It is so important. Maybe the reason why your skin is looking dull, your skin is looking, you're having hyperpigmentation, your body is discolored, or your body, you are suffering from dark spots, is because you are exposing your skin to the sun too much. That is why sunscreen is so important. Sunscreen is so important. Without using your sunscreen, you see all these ones that I just mentioned earlier, that all the process you are going to do, everything is nothing. Like, it is not going to work if you are not using your sunscreen. It is so important. So you have to get a sunscreen, a broad spectrum sunscreen from SPF 30 to 50, I don't know, 30 upward. It is going to fully protect you. Okay? So now let's move to my recommendation. These my recommendation are going to safely brighten up your skin without damaging your skin, without causing you any harm. So now let's move to it. One on my list is face fat kojic acid with retinol. Guys, this is a very good body moisturizer that is going to moisturize your skin very well for you. It is so good. It is thick in consistency. It is going to brighten up your skin. It is going to give you that youthful and a glowing skin. It is so good in fading hyperpigmentation, dark spot, and also the reducing. It is going to reduce the appearance of your stretch mark if you have stretch mark. Okay, so this is a very very good product. This is tested and trusted. See, if you want to brighten up your skin in 2 weeks and you want fast reaction, this is one of the product that will do that for you. And this product is thick in consistency. It is so fast. It absorbed really fast into the skin. It absorbed really fast, and it has this citrus scent inside, but I don't like that scent. Okay, so, and also the price of this product is about, I think, 6,500 naira to 8,000 naira, depending on where you are getting it from. Okay, if you want to have that smooth, soft, supple skin and a radiant skin, this is one product I will tell you with my full chest to get. It is so good. So this is a safe product that you can use. And also, let me chip this in, that if you want to be using this product, this face fat, make sure you are using it only at night time. It is so good to use only at night time. Okay, because of the retinol it contains. And exfoliant, kojic acid and retinol, they are very very powerful, and they can sometimes make our skin sensitive to the sun. So you want to be using it at night, and if you want to go out the next day, make sure you are wearing your sunscreen. Okay, it is very important. So the next one is Skin by Zara. Girl, this product is so good. This product contains niacinamide, it contains kojic acid, it contains vitamin C, it contains alpha arbutin. Look at all these ingredients. This is a Nigerian product. It is a Nigerian product, and they understand our skin better. So if you want to safely lighten up your skin, this product is going to do that wonders on your skin. See, this product is so good. It is so good. Look at what this product is formulated with. And apart from what it is formulated with, like, girl, I have seen the products, I have seen this body lotion do magic on people's skin. It is going, see, if you have used Skin by Zara, please let me know in the comment section, because this is a game changer. This product, this body lotion, this Skin by Zara is going to brighten up your skin in 2 weeks. You are going to see that visible result. This is so good. It contains anti-aging ingredient inside, which is going to up your collagen production, which is also going to up your to smoothen that skin. It is going to hydrate your skin. It is going to make your skin supple, soft. It is so good. So it is a very very good product to go to. And this product ranging from 15,000 naira to 18,000 naira, depending on where you are getting this product from. It is thick in consistency, it absorbs really well into the skin, and it is so good. It is moisturizing as well. Okay, so that is all about the Skin by Zara. So the next one is Advanced Clinical Vitamin C. This is my own personal body lotion. So I know what I am saying when I say I've used this product. This is tested and trusted. If this product might take time, it might take 3 weeks to 1 month before you start seeing the result, but after you see the result, you will be addicted. Like, this product is just so good. It is going to definitely even out your skin tone, fading your hyperpigmentation, make you have that even skin tone up and down. You see all those body lotion that might be giving you your knuckles will be dark, one place will be dark, one place will be light. No, it is not with advanced clinical vitamin C. It is so good, and it contains ferulic acid, which is also going to help to fight free radicals and help with your aging skin. In case you're already seeing signs of aging, like fine lines, like wrinkles, this is going to reduce the appearance of all those things on your body. So it is a very, very good product. It is thick in consistency, and also this product is not that moisturizing, so you have to pair it with a good body oil. Okay, it is not moisturizing. This product, you can use it for your face, you can use it for your body as well. It is a very, very good product. It absorbs really well into the skin. I don't like the scent. It has, I think it's like citrus scent that it has, but I don't like that scent as well. So it is a very, very good product. But I think I get used to the scent as times goes on. I actually get used to it, but it is a very, very nice product. So the next on my list is the Olay Vitamin C body lotion. This is a very, very good body lotion. This body lotion contains, it is formulated with vitamin C. It has niacinamide inside, so two brightening ingredient. It is going to brighten up your skin. It is going to even out your skin tone. Like Olay Vitamin C is so good. It is so good. And in this product, I like the way people hyped it because it works what it said it is going to do. This product did what it said it is going to do. So it is a very, very good product. If you are looking for a brightening body lotion to use to brighten up that skin, to even out that skin tone, Olay Vitamin C body lotion is going to do that for you. Even in 2 weeks, you are going to start seeing result. I love this body lotion because, girl, it is so good. It fade in hyperpigmentation, clear your uneven skin tone. It is going to even out your skin tone for you. This product absorbs really well into the skin, and it is 502 ml. It ranges from 18,000 to 19,000 naira, depending on where you are getting it from. So it's a very, very good product. It is so good. If you want to have that smooth, radiant, glowing, healthy, brighter skin, then you want to go for Olay Vitamin C body lotion. So achieving a brighter skin doesn't need to be harmful. Okay, what you just need to get is to get a safe ingredient that is going to safely brighten up your skin, not something that is going to do harm to your skin. Okay, I hope you guys understand that. Okay, and also with using all this product, make sure you're always wearing your sunscreen able to get the visible results. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you do so, please kindly hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up, and also turn on your post notification bell button to be notified whenever I post amazing content like this one. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Till then, remain blessed and stay safe. Okay, bye.